Morning, Tim from Scott Country. So I'm just going to give you a quick update on the new update, the 2.5.001 for the Merger series. So everything that's been put into the new update is now you'll see on your battery indicator, instead of having a solid bar, you'll now have the percentage within there. So your battery will decrease now. So 96%, 95, 94, so on and so forth. That's on both the batteries. On your refresh indicator, your countdown is now gone red. So you get the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on as a red indicator now instead of the white. The display has been slightly enlarged. So all the icons on the display are slightly larger. You can see them a bit more easy. You've also got your dimming function in there. So you'll see from the footage there, I was flicking on and off it. And it dims the icons down, dims the image down slightly, so you're not getting that eye burn, or you're not getting that flare in between putting your merger up to your face or taking it down. Also on the picture-in-picture, when you put the picture-in-picture on, you get the green marker box now, so you know exactly where you're looking from the main screen, and that's where your picture-in-picture is going to be pointing. Sometimes it used to be not awkward, but it is a bit harder to identify where lining them both up. So that's all sorted now, and that's a nice little feature as well. And it also said on the update some image quality improvements. Not that the XL needed any improving anyway, but it looks slightly better. I quite like it as well. So yeah, so that's just a quick spiel on what the update's done, what it's given you within the 2.5.001 update. Cheers.